Okay, good evening, everyone. There was some problem from my side, so I couldn't post it earlier. I'll start the class now. Okay, people are joining, so let me wait for 2 minutes. Just let me know whether you can see the screen properly or not. Can you see the screen? Okay. Okay, so most of people have joined now. I told you last week that I'll be doing these kind of questions once. So let me do question number 6 for you. A lot of few people have asked me this question separately, that how to solve this kind of question. So as I have already discussed with you that um, in a relationship, blood relationship kind of question, one thing which matters a lot is there are two things you have to in blood relationship kind of questions. Blood relationship. First one is type of relationship, and second one is gender. Now, why these two things are important? Because to identify relationship, try to understand. So if I say that A and B are my cousins, now this particular statement is very ambiguous with respect to the gender of the two persons, because this is a relationship. Cousin is a word which is used for both male and female. Now this is due to reason like parents. So when I talk about parents, parents is also a word which creates ambiguity, whether mother or father. So there are few relationships where uh, identify gender is very very important. So if I don't siblings, uh, one more word. So siblings, you don't know male or female. So there are few relationships which only gives you the type of relationship, and if gender is not provided, you don't know whether I'm talking about male or female. And that is why it becomes very very important for a very conspicuous uh, answer that both type of relationship and gender is known. One uh, mistake particularly that people do in this kind of question is that if the name has been given as a male name, that suppose I write that Ramesh has two siblings, Akash and Amar. Now, looking at the name, all the names by Indian standard looks like a name of a male. But don't make a mistake here in this question. Try to understand, just having names Ramesh, Akash, Amar doesn't mean that the person I am talking about in the question is a male. Try to establish that relationship in the question in the given context of the question, rather than looking at just the type of names being used in the question, and then you being solving these questions without even establishing the relationship and gender. So always remember, all the questions that I do, I tend to mark whether I know the gender or not, and whether I know the relationship or not. So this is, few people have written screen not clear. Is it clear to all others? Is it clear to others screen? I can see it in my mobile, it looks clear. Okay, fine. Fine. So I will solve this question, and by solving this question, I would like to show you how I solve a blood relationship question. A and this dollar sign B means A is brother of B. Now, when I read this question on and I read this first statement, what I read is A dollar sign B means A is brother of B. If A is brother of B, then A is male and relationship is brother of second person. So brother of second person. So wherever this dollar sign is coming, I'll write dollar side first male brother of second. So this kind of sign I make. Then at sign. And what about second person? I don't know gender of this person. So I look at here. So whenever I write a person given in the question, I mark a suffix over here, and that suffix is uh, denoted by the gender of that person. If I know the person, I write the gender MF. If I don't know anything, I just cross it, so that it is very clear that gender of this person has been identified in the question or not. If it is not identified, then I put this cross, and I'm very sure at the end of the question, while marking my options, that I don't know the specific gender of this person. So this $8 B means first person is male and brother of the second person. I don't know the gender of the second person here. At means A is wife of B, so first person would be female and second person relationship would be wife. Now if A is wife of B, it means that uh, A is wife of B, it means that B is husband of A. So here the relationship had been identified, because husband wife relationship, there has to be a male and a female. So if first person is wife, second person has to be male. So that's why I'm writing here male. For A to be brother of B, B can be sister of A, B can be brother of A. That is why I have put this cross sign here. Now if I have a hash sign, the hash sign is saying me that A is daughter of B. So first person becomes female and daughter. Now you don't know second person is male or female, because both male and female can have a daughter. So second person, I don't know the gender. And for star, A is father of B. So it means first person is father of, so it means it would be male. Relationship is of father of B, and both male and female can have a father. So I don't know anything about the second person. So if try to understand, out of the given equation, it is very much sure that um, it is very much sure that I don't know the gender of the second person in case of three cases, which is of dollar sign, which is of hash sign, and which is of star sign. I know that in case of at, the relationship can be identified by both first and second person. For both first and second person. So try to understand here. Now U is father-in-law of P. So how do you do it? U is father-in-law of P. So it means that if U has to be father-in-law, U has to be male. So first of all, U has to be male. Try to understand, in these three cases, I don't know what U is, because when star is there, so T is father of U, T is father of U, and W is father of U. So here I cannot identify what U is. U is, so I will just check first option and whether I'm getting the answer or not. So U star W is giving me that U is Where is star? Star means father. So U is father of W. So U becomes male anyway. Q hash T hash U. So T hash U is saying me that uh, T is daughter of U. T is daughter of U. And then Q and T is saying me that Q is wife of T. So try to understand, is this equation making any sense? Till now, whatever I have written, is this making any sense? Just tell me. Tell me. You can write few things. Okay, let me remove this till the time you type, and I will solve this question not only by the method by which I have started solving, but I'll also tell you the trick by which you could have easily identified the option. So look at here. This gives me option A gives me that P at Q is P is wife of Q, and Q dollar T gives me, okay, dollar sign is where, that Q is brother of T. T hash U gives me that T is daughter of U. So from here only I think I can find out the relationship between, because I know from here that U is male. So U is daughter, T is daughter of U. So I have U here, and T is daughter. So I'm writing here daughter, and T has a Q is brother of T. So try to understand, if Q is brother, so for this particular person U, Q would be son, and P is wife of Q. So wife here is P. So it means that this lady P is daughter-in-law for this particular person U, who is male. So for P, U would be father-in-law. So answer would be first answer. Now I didn't need to do this, guys. You should understand why. Because try to understand, for a relationship of father-in-law, I need to find out first the relationship father-in-law, and I need to prove that the person whom I am proving father-in-law is proved male by the given question. Now here in these three cases, the relationship of you can never be identified. So these three cases can never be my answer. Relationship of you can't be determined here. So I will not even check first option. I will pick first option and I'll move ahead from here. That is why I asked you whether that is making some sense or not. So if this question could have been in front of me, I could have looked at this three option. I could have seen here that A is star means A is father of B, and I can't know the gender of the second person. So this is a cross sign here. So I write a cross sign here across U, and as I cannot establish the gender out here, so I will not be able to say that U is father-in-law or mother-in-law, even if I am able to establish the relationship. Hence, I will just take option A and move ahead. So that is what the shortcut, the trick which is used in examination, that could have been used over here. So I don't know how many questions I solved. Let me solve one more question of this type and then I'll move ahead. Question number 8 and 9. I know you have solved this, but solve it for 2 minutes. Question number 8, I'm getting answer D from a lot of you. I'm waiting for other answers. Okay, so I've got a lot of answers which are 8D and 9C. I'll still like to solve this question and then tell you the answer. So, and sign here means P is father of Q. So, and I'm writing here, and first person is male, and not and sign, dollar sign, I'm sorry. And second person, I don't know the gender. So, second person, I don't know the gender. So, I write here nothing. Hash shine means P is mother of Q, so first person becomes female, and this becomes mother. And second person, again, no specific information about gender. And third one, star means, so star means that first person is sister of second person. So again, first person becomes female, and second person, I don't have any specific information about gender, and I write here sister. So let me solve this question. N hash L dollar P star Q. And then shows that which of the relationship is q of n. So let me write here n hash l means, where is hash? So n hash l means n is mother of l. Um, so and l, dollar p means l is father of p, and p star q means so p star q means p is sister of q. So try to understand here. N is mother of L, so N would be generation, first generation here, and then comes L. And L is father of P, so then there is another generation here. And I know that N is female, and L is father, so L is male, and P is sister, so P is female, and P is sister of Q, so this is the same generation. So which Q shows which of the relationship of Q of N. So N is grandmother of Q, but whether Q is granddaughter or grandson, you don't know. So question number 8, a lot of you have given me answer D, which is a right answer, because here I mark this sign, which shows that Q is grandson or daughter of N. And how do you write, how do you know that whether you have to write n is grandmother of q or q is grandson daughter of n? So you look at here, q of n, so q is grandson or granddaughter of n. So this is how you have to represent the data. And as there is ambiguity out here, there is no clear answer, the answer would be 8D. I'm solving it a little bit slowly, because in blood relationship kind of question, you should generally go up a little bit slow, because people tend to make mistake. Also, there is one specific doubt that because the signs, like in question number 9, negative plus uh, and multiply sign is there, then plus multiply negative sign is there, then negative plus multiply sign is there, then negative and percentage sign is there. So in these three options, people ask me, and a lot of people have asked me whether you have that, sir, should we apply Bodmas here or something like that? No, this is a blood relationship question, and every sign has a meaning. These are not mathematical signs which have been used here. Even though they are mathematical signs, the meaning of this mathematical signs have been explained over here. So this is not a question of Bodmas or something. So please don't keep these doubts in your mind. So plus sign means first one in question number 9, first one is mother, so first one is female of and second one mother of second one. And then negative sign is there, so first one is brother, so male, and no idea of this person. Brother of B, so second person, no idea of gender, and this is brother. Third percentage sign is there, so percentage sign gives that A is father of B. So first one is again male father, and second one gender no idea, and fourth one is multiplication sign, and fourth one same as A is sister of B. So first one is female and sister, and no idea about gender of the second person. So anywhere here second person's gender is not out. So P is maternal uncle of Q. So I need to check, you should know that here I don't know the sign of, I mean gender of P. Here I don't know gender of P written at the last, so I will not check option A and D, because I cannot identify maternal uncle means male. I cannot say that P is male in these two conditions, so I will only check B and C. So also there is one more sign, that If plus sign comes, the first person becomes male. So here actually I don't need to write anything. I know that plus sign, if first one is followed by plus sign, the person becomes male. So you look at here, plus sign is here, it means that I'll write here P is mother of S. So if P is mother of S, P cannot be male, so it cannot be maternal uncle. So in second one also cannot be my answer, because P over here is female, P over here is not male. So answer can only be 9C. So that is why, see how I have been eliminating answer. So you can eliminate answer very quickly rather than writing it and wasting time. So question number 9, the only option that I can have is 9C. Okay, now let me move to how many of you want to revise few more questions from this sheet, in case of blood relationship? Anyone who wants to do it? Do you want to solve last two questions? Okay, I'm solving question number 14 for you. There is one general trick. So the trick is that uh, generally you assume one person to be yourself in the question, and then try to identify the relationship. So in this question, okay, so what I do is introducing a girl. Vipin said that her mother is only daughter of my mother-in-law. So if I am Vipin, so I am saying that, so if I assume myself, this is just a trick, you can apply this, you cannot apply this. I write this I, and I am Vipin. So now Vipin is replaced by I. It means that I am saying, the person who is reading the question is saying that her mother is only daughter of my daughter mother-in-law. So as a person, my mother-in-law law's daughter, only daughter would be my wife. So this is I, and I's mother-in-law daughter would be wife, and I am saying her mother is only daughter. It means that I am talking about a daughter of this daughter. So I am writing here my wife's daughter. So my wife's daughter would be my daughter also. So for my daughter, I would be what? Father. So answer here is 14B. So this is one specific example that you assume one person out there as yourself, and then you solve the question. A man said to lady, your mother husband's sister is my aunt. So mother husband's means my father. Mother's husband would be my father. My father's sisters is my aunt. How is the lady related to man? So your mother's father's sister is my aunt. So here am I, and my mother's husband's sister is my aunt, and my aunt is aunt of that man also. So this lady is aunt of this man also. So how am I related to him? So it can be um, only one relationship, that my aunt is somebody else's aunt. Can be a relationship of cousin, can be a relationship of brother, or can be a relationship of sister. It can be only first generation relationship. So there is only one thing, sister, here, and no answer as cannot be determined. So I tick sister and move ahead. If the answer could have been cannot be determined, if the option I could have ticked cannot be determined, because you don't know the other person is male or female, or cousin or brother, neither the relationship was identified nor the gender was identified. So why I take the answer sister? Because there is no option answers that cannot be determined. So that's why I ticked here sister, because I knew that it's a first generation relationship. So that's why. So I think I you have got this. Now solve these questions. These questions don't need any specific. You have to identify pattern. So solve first two questions. Oh my god, so quick. Good, good, very good. Radhika, for most of them, screen is not blur. Also, as I can see in my uh, 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 YouTube channel, I mean, I'm also looking at it. Screen is coming out to be uh, fine. So, can you please refresh it, or can you reopen it from the link? I think it would be fine for you. Question number one and two. What is the answer? Question number one. 1 is to 11 would be equal to 2 is to 22. 18 is to 27. So this is 2 by 3. So 9 into 2, 9 into 3. So 11 into 2, 11 into 3. So 33 would be answer. Question number 3 is is question number 3 is 1420. And so question number 3 is 1420. So this is 16. The answer would be what? Can you give me the answer? Let me check the. Let me check what's the answer you are giving. 3 is A. Yes, good. 3A is answer. So this is 14 is 7 into 2, and this is 7 into 3 minus 1. So this is 8 into 2. So this one would be 8 into 3 minus 1. So this would be 23. Now question number 4, can you solve it? Question number 4 and 5, you are giving me answer 4B, and you are saying that it's 5B. 4 I have got answer from few of you, 5 I have not got. So give me answer of question number 5. Others, Okay, question number 5 and 6. No, guys, I was. This is 5 square and 5 square minus 1. And if this is 24, 8. So, sorry, this is 5 and 5 square minus 1. So, this will be 8 and 8 square minus 1. Um, so, this is 63. So, answer is this. Um, so, let's go to question number 6 here. Question number 6, answer me. This is a one good question. How come you guys are writing 6C? Those who are writing 6C, just give me the logic behind it. What's the logic? Those who are writing, who all have written, Vanisha has written, Pradyut has written, Anant has written, Neha has written, Vaishnavi has written. All of you just give me your this thing, logic behind 6C. No, what is this by adding 20? How do you add 20? Oh, 23 plus 20. So, for that matter, try to understand this question. That's why I told in the beginning, there is no doubt add 20 to 7. I am not questioning that logic for even a second. So, I'm not saying that is right or wrong. So, let me discuss this question. This question can be solved by three methods. People can think that it is 23 plus 20 is equal to 53. So they'll write 7 plus 20 is equal to 27. That is one logic. Second logic people give in this question is 23 into 2 plus 7 is equal to 53. So 7 into 2 plus 7 is equal to 21. So this logic also is not wrong. Third logic that people give out here is that 23 is an prime number, 53 also is a prime number, 7 also is a prime number, so next number also has to be a prime number. So when you write 23 to 53, so what are the prime numbers here? 29, 31, then 37, then 41, 43, 47. So these are the numbers 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 41, 43, 47. So when I write 7 to 19, let me check. So I write 11, 13, 17. So few people also give this particular option that all numbers are prime numbers. So I don't apply any particular this thing. This question has been framed in a wrong manner over here. If I would have given you options, I could have never given you two options out here, which is 21. If I want you to tick option D, I could have never given option 21 and 27 to you. I could have written it 28 and 22 or something like that. Then this question would have been difficult for you, so that you could have not identified this. So okay, no issues. This question was not framed in a good manner, I'll say. Solve question number 7, 8, and 9. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I know. 20 plus not 23 plus 20 is not 53, it's 43. So that logic to anyway does not apply. My bad. I went by what they said rather than applying my mind. And you look at the repercussion of it. So never do it. Apply your own brain. This gives a direct correlation between your efficiency and application of your brain. Okay, question number 7C is the right answer. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 7 plus 3 would be 10. So C option. 7 into 4 is 28. So 2 into 4 would be 8. So this is the answer. So these two were easy questions. That's why I didn't give you much time to solve it. Solve question number 9 and 10. Question number 9, you have been giving me answer. Few people are giving A, few people are giving E. D, every kind of answer I'm getting. Okay. Now let me solve questions. Okay, I'll give you some more time. But people have given me answer. Why to wait then? So from 65, how do you get 30? So 6 into 5 is 30. So it means it is multiplication of two numbers. So from 44, what will I get? 4 into 4, 16. So answer is D out here. Now 99 minus 23 is equal to 76. So 24 minus 23 is equal to 1. So answer out here is 1. So 9D and 10A. Question number 11 and 12. So 11C is a right answer, though I do have. mm, so why 9 is to 27 would not be an answer here, because 3 is to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 9 is equal to 3. So this is 9 times. 9 into 27, 9 is only 3 times, 27 is only 3 times of 9, and it could have been written 27 is to 9, then also I could have understood, because here bigger number is coming first, here also bigger number should come first. So only answer I have here is 8 is to 1 by 8. No other number is here. So, and why I'm choosing 8 is to 1 by 8, 3 is to 1 by 3 gives me that for second number, the denominator square is denominator square multiplied. I mean, 1 by 3 denominator square is equal to the other number 3. So it is 1 by 3 into 9 is equal to 3. And same is 1 by 3 and denominator square is 64. So I get 8 out here. So this logic applies in second question, third option. So that's why I'm applying this logic. Question number 12, the answer would be B. 43 and 34. So 43 and 34 has been written in reverse order. So 52 in reverse order would be 25. So that's my answer. Okay, good. So this sheet is done. Let's move to another sheet. So here you have to find out relationship in the. One C is right answer. Go to second question. Okay, guys. In second question, it's not poison. It's prison. In second question, that's why I was getting confused in second question, because the person who takes care of museum is known as curator. So the nobody takes care of poison. I mean, this is a wrong word which has been used here. So second question is prison. So in charge of prison is jailer. So answer is D. Question number C. Question number 3, sorry. 3A is right answer. Poison, the opposite would be nectar. Yeah, fourth option would be C. Uh, Hour, minute, second. So third position from R is second. So for primary, it will be tertiary. So answer is C. Question number 5. So flower, lotus is a flower. So which of the following is bird? So fly is not a kind of bird. Sky is not a kind of bird. Nest is not a kind of bird. Lark is a kind of bird. So answer would be D. Question number 6. Very easy question for you guys who have been doing math, sorry, English properly. Question number 6 is C. It is antonyms used here: death, birth, height, depth. Question number 7. Good. 7 answer is B. Again, antonyms: abundance, scarcity, extravagance, miserliness. Question number 8, 9, and 10. And question number 10 will tell me whether you are studying. Um, Whether you are studying civics or not properly. Question number 9, the answer is A, not B. In air, you fly. Fly means not staying at your position, changing your position. So, water, it would be swim. Swim means you are changing your position continuously. Float means you are at one position only, floating at one position. So, float is a wrong answer. Swim is the right answer. Question number 10. So, a person can vote when he is of age 18 or more. Lok Sabha member can only be, I mean, you cannot be of age below 25 years. So for for a person to be a Lok Sabha member, he has to attain the age of 25. So answer here is 10C. Okay. Let's go to question 11, 12. Give me answer of question number 11 first. Okay, question number 11, the answer is B. Um, Aryabhat was a mathematician and Varah Mitra was an astronomer. Hunger is, so answer is B for question number 11. Hunger is related to food and thirst is related to water. So answer here is water. So question number 12, the answer is A. And question number 13, food is poured into stomach. Fuel is, or food is processed in the stomach. Fuel is related to engine. So question number 13, the answer is engine. Question number 14, can you solve? Yeah, 14C is the right answer. It would be desert. Question number 15 and 16. 15 is B. As birds fly, snakes crawl. So, sorry, 15 is C, not B. I'm sorry, 15 is C. As birds fly, snakes crawl. So, 15 is C. 16 answer is A. It's antonyms, so nothing else out there. Question number 17 and 18. Both question number 17 and 18 options are C. By as- by putting alphabets in correct order, we find words. By putting words in correct order, we find sentences. So answer is sentence. Question number 18 is uses of antonyms. So life, death, hope, despair. Question number 19. Question number 19, answer is D, not C. Though D and C both are similar answer. The skin of the fish is known as scales. So it would be skin men. You can also say that why not feather bird. So it is not option C because it has been written in opposite order. If it would have been feather and bird, if here it would have been written feather first and then bird, then this could have also been my answer, but it has been written in incorrect order. That's why C is not answer, D is the answer. Now let's go to first read it and then do it. Question number one, a lot of you are giving me answer C. So answer C looks like a right answer to me. Let's go to question number two. Uh, Here is question number two, and here is question number. So solve question number two only. 2A, very easy. So water image. Uh, this figure is water image of this figure. So I will take water image of this figure. It would be A. Let's go to question number three. Yes, 3B. There can be only one answer. V, P, O are not matching with this N. So N, opposite of N is only U. So this has to be answer 3B. No other option. Question number four. So what answer you are giving me for question number four? 4B is wrong answer. This cross sign, how will you justify this cross sign? This cross sign cannot be justified here. 4D is the right answer. This will convert into this. So first of all, the outer figure remains same, and this semicircle is converted into what do you say? And even if you look here, you try to understand. Look at here. Here I have, if I write from here, the innermost circle is, or the first one, the outermost circle is square. Then second one is triangle. The third one is here. Third one is again smaller square. And fourth one is a circle or oval, whatever you want to say. If it doesn't look circular, then it's oval. You look at here, in the second figure, first and second, third figure are coming together. So in second figure, first it is square, and then the third figure here was a square, it is becoming second figure here, and the third figure is becoming second figure. So it's interchange of these two figures. So try to understand, it is here the first figure is square, so it will remain square. Second figure is half circle, semicircle. Third figure is triangle. So here the second figure would be triangle because it is interchange between third and second. So second figure would be triangle. The third figure would be semicircle. So it would be something like this. It would be a semicircle. And fourth will, so first and fourth remain same, and it is interchange between second and third. So that is why option would be D and not B. Question number 5, what's the answer? Question number 5, you have been giving, few of you are giving me answer A, and few of you are giving me answer C. So I'll still wait for your answer. Okay, question number 5, I'm waiting for the answer what you have given me. Question number 5, I'm not scrolling down, Hanish, because I didn't get the answers. Now I'm getting the answers, and I'm getting all kind of answers. A, C, D, everything. So question number 5, question number 5, the answer is A. Why the answer is A? Because you look at here what is happening. So the shape on the this say shape, it is look at here what happens. If I turn it 90 degree, then what will happen? So this goes by 1 second. This particular shape goes by 90 degree here. This is turned upside down, and the top part, this particular part. So you look at here, this particular part is taken out and it is getting enlarged. So this particular part is getting enlarged, and this bottom part is upside down. So you look at here, this is 90 degree left hand side, this is upside down, then enlargement of this, so this becomes a square, and then this goes upside down. So what happens over here is, then this particular figure would be what to do here, 90 degree. So upside down means this will remain upside down, this will go by 90 degree, and then enlargement of this figure. So this particular figure would be white. You see here, this has been whitened, so this will be whitened. So this particular figure would be whitened, so this has been whitened here, and this would be enlarged, so this has been enlarged, and this will again become sorry, this would be enlarged and with black color, so this has been enlarged and this has been whitened. So answer is C. Question 5 here, answer is C. So solve question number 6. This question is, I was doubtful between C and A, but I rejected A because figure in A would be this particular figure would be, see here, three figures are coming. You look at here once more, I'll explain this question. Here three figures are coming. This figure, this particular, like when this is converted to this, I already have this, I already have this, but from where this third triangle is coming? So this third triangle is coming from here, and it has been whitened. So try to understand. This has been whitened and taken like this. This has been upside down, and this has been taken 90-degree on this side. So similarly, I will whiten this, and I will rotate it upside down. I'll take 90 degrees. So one is going 90-degree, one is upside down, and one is making getting whitened. Here it is not getting whitened. Here it is wrong because no correlation is found here. And here there are only two figures. So that is why I'm selecting C out here. Well, look at here, guys. It is option elimination out here. I know this question is a bit confusing. I'm explaining it time and again. This cannot be my answer because you look at here, the figure out here is there are two this kind of figure, and it is becoming three out here. Here it is only one. This one is getting eliminated. I don't know where. Sorry, this one is getting eliminated. I don't know where. So B cannot be my answer. In D there has to be three figures. So here there are only two figures. These two figures are becoming two triangles are becoming three triangles. So here two dumbbells have to become either three dumbbells or two dumbbells and one triangle. So here there is only one. Here there is only two. So B and D cannot be my answer. Similarly, here in A and C, in A and C, you look at here. Here there is one colored picture, one whitened, one colored triangle, one whitened triangle, and the third triangle is also whitened. So it means that this particular triangle is coming out and getting whitened. So here also this particular sign, this sign will come out and will get whitened, which is coming only here in option C and not in option A. That is why I'm rejecting option A, and I'm telling that option C is the answer. So I hope you understood it now. Question number 6. 6D is right option because this is anti-clockwise movement 90-degree from here to here. So anti-clockwise movement 90-degree would be from here to here. So D is my answer. Question number 7. Question number 7, you are giving me answer C. Most of you are giving me answer C. Question number and 7, answer C is correct option. So figure is rotated 45-degree here, clockwise direction. Yes, yes, this goes clockwise direction. So figure would be rotated clockwise direction. So this becomes a straight something like this. 7C is right answer. So thank you so much. This ends the class, today's portions of the class. Next class, I'll try to bring something more to you. And plus, if I have time next class, I would like to discuss a few chapters of SAT with you. So till that time, thank you so much for joining, and let's meet next week. Thank you. Thank you so much.